Hi, in this video, I'll show you how to connect Claude to Outlook email and calendar. First thing, open your Claude, then go under settings. Here, go under connectors. Go to add, then browse connectors. Here, search for Zapier. Add. Once you add it to Claude, you will need to enter your email address. Do so. After you've entered your email address, then you need to open your browser. Then type in Zapier. Click on the first link. Then here, sign in with your email address. If you don't have one, you can sign up. When you're here, you need to go under MCP servers. Click on this. Under here, you need to go to Explore Apps. Then click on Zapier Tools. Here, search for Outlook. Click on Outlook. Once you're here, then you have to click on Connect Microsoft Outlook to 9000 apps. And here, you can sign into your Microsoft Outlook account. Once you finish signing into your account, you're done.